Alrighty, y'all, that is our 1 pound bag of our wild caught shrimp. Now I'm coming in with 2 pounds of cooked spicy country sausage and a 12-ounce bag of our frozen spinach. Yum. Now I'm gonna put my little grate on top here for a second. And I am bringing in my Velveeta Original. And I'm just gonna push this down in here. Look at this. That is a genius way to slice it into slices.
You're a genius, honey.
Thank you. And then I'm just gonna spread this out. Look at this. That is just like one standard block of the Velveeta. Now I've got 1 block of cream cheese here. We wanna make this nice and creamy. And 1 can of Rotel. Ooh, beautiful. These gorgeous colors and flavors, our proteins in here. This is gonna be so good. All right, now I always like to have Old Bay with my seafood, and I'm gonna be generous with this because we're making something real tasty today. I'm probably putting in about 2 tablespoons. All right, and now I'm gonna add in my Tony's Carol seasoning. We're giving this kind of a Southern Carol taste and effect. It's gonna be so good with that shrimp, with that country sausage, the cheesiness, the creaminess. Woo! This will really sneak up on.
I don't know why I'm laughing. It's gonna get me.
That will really sneak up on you. I'm just kind of finishing off this can. There wasn't too much left in there, but we love this Carol seasoning with our shrimp and our sausage. Alrighty, y'all, I'm putting my lid on my crock pot and we're gonna put this on low and slow for 2 to 3 hours. We're gonna check on it, give it a little bit of stir, and then we're gonna have a delicious treat. Alrighty, everyone, we have this going for 3 hours on high. Oh, it smells incredible. Our shrimp and sausage Cajun Carol seasoning dip. Oh my God, this looks so good. Y'all, and that cheese, that Velveeta just melted so good in here. Ooh, I cannot wait to dig into this. Now I've just got my classic Fritos. I'm gonna put some right on top here in my bowl. Of course, you can serve this with any kind of chips that you like. Look at that spinach, healthy. Wow. Oh my goodness. Y'all, this tastes incredible. So flavorful, cheesy, delicious, protein packed. Y'all gotta try this.